So do you want to see me grow a brand new TikTok account from 0 to 1,000 followers in just 7 days? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm growing a brand new account. This is actually day 3 of my case study. I've done day 1 and day 2 already. I'm documenting every single day how I'm growing a brand new account, what type of videos, the hashtags, like what I'm doing to get traffic to my new funnels, everything. I'm showing you everything in this complete case study. So if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow a YouTube channel, how to use TikTok to grow your affiliate marketing business, and of course, how to start an online business. So if you guys are interested in those topics, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you guys are new to my channel, you would know that my main TikTok account is Passive Income Lifestyles, and this is the one that has generated me tons and tons of traffic to my funnels, has built my YouTube channel, all that good stuff. But with this case study, I'm growing a brand new account from 0 to 1,000 followers in hopefully 7 days. That's the goal. So I'm going to show you exactly the numbers. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So I'm just going to touch real quick, what the new account is and what type of videos I'm going to be posting, stuff like that. And then I'll get into the actual numbers of the new account. All right. So my main niche and topic is high ticket affiliate marketing. Obviously, I'm going over YouTube traffic, TikTok traffic, digital marketing, Clickfunnels, all that stuff. Okay. So that's the niche for my new TikTok account that I'm growing from 0 to 1,000. Okay, if you watch day 1 and 2, you'll know I go deep into all that stuff. So make sure to watch day 1 so you guys know exactly, my whole journey through this whole process. All right. Obviously, I already set up my account in bio. I'm not going to go through that now. I set up a pro account. That way I can track analytics. So, but I want to talk about my content strategy for day number 3. Okay, so this is starting day 3. I just finished day 2, so we're going to go through like what type of videos I'll be posting, how many posts, stuff like that, okay? So I do have a confession to make as well, all right? So my goal today is to have at least 10 TikTok posts, and I'll explain why I want 10 posts and what I didn't make for day 2 and 1, okay? But I'm going to confess this, guys. So I was supposed to do 10 TikTok posts day 1. I only got 6, I believe. And then day 2, I was supposed to do 10 again, and I only got 4 or 5 again. So I've been failing on that, and for that reason, I'm not where I want to be on day 3. But it's Monday, and today I believe that I'm really gonna get these 10 posts, hopefully even more than that. But the type of posts, I talked about these ones in day 1 of 2, so I'm not gonna touch on those right now. But I do have some new ones that I just bolded. So I'm going to do user comment replies to haters. So what that is, if someone comments like a hater comment, you can actually reply to that comment and make a video about that. Okay. So it's actually a cool thing because you can, it's not really just because you're trying to get back at them. I do it to, if someone has like a hater comment, like, oh, well, like you're not doing this right, or, you don't know how to do this, or whatever it is, right? I'm replying to that in a smart way where, people can see what I'm doing, and I'm actually like, I have like a smart answer for them, right? So I'm doing this for my actual audience and for people to know that I'm for real, and it actually helps a lot. So I'm also doing regular user comment replies where if someone has a question, I can actually reply to the video. So let me show you how that looks, okay? So for example, if someone has a video like this one right here, okay?
So Ashley said she was getting less.
So someone says, I'm getting less views on TikTok. I'm actually replying to that follower, and I'm actually making a whole video based on that. So I'm trying to grow my audience that way. Obviously, it's a little harder to do it that way. And for example, you can see this guy right here. Why are your videos not getting likes? So I can actually do a reply to that person, and that's going to be my my content strategy moving forward. As you start getting hater comments. Once you start creating content and you start growing an audience, of course, you're going to get the haters, you're going to get the people, the skeptics, stuff like that. Okay, so that's going to be what I'm focusing on. And obviously, so this guy right here that says, why are your videos not getting likes? So I'm going to go ahead and get on and explain why I'm not getting likes, and I'm doing a TikTok case study, and I give them a smart answer, right? And that shows that you're building an audience, but you're also replying to people, both negative and positive. So I think that'll help me out moving forward. All right, so that's kind of my main strategy for today. And then green screen videos. This is something I started doing. It's actually a really cool thing you can do. If you don't know, but what you do is you actually have a background. You can take a screenshot background and actually have a green screen. As you can see here, you can see it's a green screen of me in the mountains. Obviously, I'm not there. So those are the type of videos I'm going to be focusing on for today. All right. So let's get to the actual stats here. Oh yeah, for hashtag strategy, obviously I'm still under my 100,000 views. So I'll make sure to get the any hashtags between 10,000 and 100,000 views. That way, I can do the hashtag step method. If you don't know what that is, make sure to watch my video on the TikTok algorithm where I go deep into that. All right. Okay, but let's go into the actual how I'm getting people to stop and watch my videos. And of course, I'm gonna preach this every single time, guys. Hook, value, offer, or hook, story, offer. Basically, I get someone to stop is with my hook. I give them a story about me, or I give them some type of value, and then an offer or a call to action. So either like my video, follow me, go to this link right here. Those are the three elements that you need to be successful. Okay, so I'm using that for every single video. You'll notice that in every single video I have these three elements. Okay. And of course, I'm using a sound and caption and a hashtag with every video. Okay, really important that you have that. That way, your videos can be seen by even more people. All right. Okay, let's talk about the actual numbers here. This is what we want to get to. So after day one, I had 99 followers, over 1,000 likes, and 9 Instagram follows, and I had 0 clicks. Okay, on my the links I was promoting. Now, I haven't been promoting any links yet. That's because I'm still trying to grow my brand. So I haven't done any calls to action yet, but I will do that soon, okay? Now, day 2, which is today, okay? Or after yesterday. So today's day 3, starting day 3. But after day 2, I have 145 followers, over 1,800 likes, and then 24 Instagram follows. That's what I can track. And then also, I have 0 clicks on my main promo, which is this link here. Now, I think today I'm going to start doing links to that promo. That way I can start tracking that. Of course, I don't have a link in my bio yet, but that's the goal, is to get people to click that link. So I'm going to start doing that for today, okay? So that's going to be my goal today, is to put more content out, to start getting people to click that link. And I'm going to track that. Let's see if people actually click that link. And that's the goal, is to show you that you don't need a link in your bio to be able to do this, okay? Now, I do have only 145 followers. That's because I wasn't as consistent. I was at the lake on day 2. So I actually wasn't able to post a ton of content. But my goal for day 3 is I need 171 followers per day. So 171 added to my 145 will keep me on track for my 1,000 followers for the first 7 days. So that's the goal now, guys. Like I said, I slacked a little bit, but I'm going to try to get back on track. I'm going to try to do 10 posts today. That's the goal. And I'll let you know exactly, for tomorrow's video after day 3, what my stats are. The goal is to get this to 171 today. And I believe I can do it. I think if I just work at it, if I post a ton of videos, and switch up my content based on my content strategy, which is with these videos right here. These are the type of videos I'm going to be trying to do here. And with that, I believe I can get at least 170 to 250 followers today, and we'll see how it goes. So hopefully this video was of value to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're following me on this journey, please give me a comment down below. What is your TikTok account? I would love to follow you. Comment below. Also, let me know if you guys have any questions on the TikTok algorithm, how to monetize. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day, guys. And I do have a TikTok course if you want it for $1 on how to monetize. So make sure you grab that. It's going to be in the link down below in the description. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to be coming out with a video tomorrow on the day 3 stats. And let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you guys soon.